Bonjour, today I'm taking you to France, to Vignoble-le-Château, which is in the Loire Valley of France, and more specifically Touraine. Touraine is located in the heart of the Loire Valley, and is known for producing grapes like Sauvignon Blanc, Chenin Blanc, and Cabernet Franc. Now the wine I have here today is a 2024 vintage, and it is 100% Sauvignon Blanc grapes. A lot of notes of citrus. This is pretty common with Sauvignon Blanc, especially since it's an aromatic white grape. Almost something like earthy or herbaceous. Also white flowers. So the first thing that I noticed is the acidity. Medium high. Honestly, not as high as I was expecting, especially for Sauvignon Blanc. Tasting notes, I'm also getting a lot of grapefruit, which I really like. Also lime. This is actually a really enjoyable wine because of the balance between the acidity and the body, in my opinion. Not a super thin wine as you would expect from some of these white grapes. It's got a little bit of body, but the color of it is just absolutely stunning. It's very pale color. Almost looks like water. And then again, you have that really bright citrus notes with the accents of the white flowers. I really think that this wine is balanced, all the key components of what you want in a wine. And especially for the price, I think this is definitely worth picking up a bottle. I think this would pair really well with fish because of these citrus notes, and then also that herbaceous side that you get as well. Speaking of pairings, today I'm pairing this with chicken fajitas. So the first reason of why this wine would pair great with chicken fajitas is the acidity. So the acidity and citrus notes of the wine would complement the acidity and citrus notes of the chicken. Also helps cut through some of the fat and greasiness that the chicken was cooked in. Kind of gives balance to the dish. The wine does a really good job of being balanced with the food. White meat with the lime and citrus that's added to the chicken fajitas that I cooked goes really well with the notes of the citrus in this bottle. I feel like it's helpful to give you guys food pairings too that I actually make, because then it makes you more likely to actually drink the wine, as opposed to me just buying a bottle and opening it by itself. But I also hope that this shows you the possibilities of pairing food and wine and how you can elevate both the food and the wine by pairing them together and creating proper wine pairings. Hopefully you learned something today. Thanks for watching, and always remember to drink responsibly. Cheers.